Hello friends, I, Dhairya Bhatia, welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from origin to infinity. Watch this video till the end because there are three announcements for you, or you can say three surprises for you. This is my third lecture on some important matrices and their properties in linear algebra. In the first two lectures, I already discussed about symmetric matrices and skew symmetric matrices with 10 examples on each of them. In this video, we are going to discuss Hermitian matrices and skew Hermitian matrices. So let us begin. Now what are Hermitian matrices? Now let A belongs to M and C, then A is said to be a Hermitian matrix if A star is equals to A, that is self-adjoint, and A star is nothing but is conjugate transpose of A. The another definition for the Hermitian matrices is let A belongs to M and C, then A is said to be a Hermitian matrix if Aij is equals to Aji conjugate, where Aij is the entry in the ith row and the jth column. Now Hermitian matrices are complex extension of real symmetric matrices. You can say that. Also, Hermitian matrices are named after Charles Hermite, who demonstrated in 1855 that matrices of this form share a property with real symmetric matrices of always having real eigenvalues. Moving on, for example, let us consider a matrix A of order 3 cross 3 with diagonal entries as 1, 2, 3, and above the diagonal entries are 1 plus I, 3 and I. Then, as per the definition, we get below the diagonal entries as 1 minus I, 3 and minus I. Now let us check whether this is a Hermitian matrix or not. For A to be Hermitian matrix, it is necessary that A star is equals to A. Then firstly we find A star, that is A conjugate transpose. So first we find the A conjugate, that is we change the sign in the complex, and then we find its transpose, that gives us 1, 1 plus I, 3, 1 minus I, 2, I, 3 minus I and again 3. This is equals to A. So we get that A is a Hermitian matrix. Now we here observe that the diagonal elements of Hermitian matrices are real. And why are they real? They are real because they are their own complex conjugate. Other than real entries, complex entries are not their own complex conjugate. Moving on to some properties, dimension of n cross n Hermitian matrix over R, the set of real numbers, is n square. And real symmetric matrices are special case of Hermitian matrices, or you can say real symmetric matrices are Hermitian matrices also. Then all the results and properties true for real symmetric matrices are true for Hermitian matrices also. And you can watch the video in the comment up there. Moving on, A is equals to a 2 cross 2 matrix with diagonal entries as I, and above the diagonal entries are 0 and below is also 0. It is not Hermitian matrix. Now A is Hermitian, it implies that trace of A and determinant of A belongs to R, the set of real numbers. And the eigenvalues of Hermitian matrices are always real. And also Hermitian matrices are diagonalizable over C, the set of complex numbers. Moving on, we also know that every Hermitian matrix is a normal matrix, and the sum of any two Hermitian matrices is again Hermitian. Also, the inverse of an invertible Hermitian matrix is Hermitian. The main condition is that the matrix should be invertible firstly. And the product of two Hermitian matrices P and Q is also Hermitian if and only if PQ is equals to QP. Also, if P is a Hermitian matrix and M is some integer, then P raised to M is also Hermitian matrix. And the Hermitian complex n cross n matrices do not form a vector space over the complex numbers C. Now why they do not form? Because since the identity matrix In is Hermitian, but I into In is not Hermitian, and the complex Hermitian matrices do form a vector space over the real numbers. Moving on, Now we will discuss about skew-Hermitian matrices. Now what are skew-Hermitian matrices? Let A belongs to M and C, then A is said to be a skew-Hermitian matrix if A star is equals to minus A, where A star is A complex, A conjugate transpose of A. The another definition for the skew-Hermitian matrices is let A belongs to M and C, then A is said to be skew-Hermitian if Aij is equals to minus Aji conjugate. Now skew-Hermitian matrices are complex extension of real skew-symmetric matrices similar to symmetric one, and skew-Hermitian matrices were also named after Charles Hermite, who demonstrated it in 1855 that matrices of this form share a property of real skew-symmetric matrices of always having either zero or purely imaginary eigenvalues. Moving on, for example, let us consider a 2 cross 2 matrix with diagonal entries as I and 0, and the other entries are 1 minus I and minus 1 minus I. Now we need to check whether this is a skew-Hermitian matrix or not. Firstly, we find A star, that is A conjugate transpose. We get A conjugate as minus I, 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I and 0. And then taking its transpose, we get as minus I, 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I and 0. Taking minus as common, we get it as I, 1 minus I, minus 1 minus I and 0, which is nothing but minus A. Therefore, our given matrix A is skew-Hermitian matrix. And here we clearly observe that the diagonal elements of skew-Hermitian matrices are either 0 or purely imaginary. Now why is this happening? Because we want Aij is equals to minus Aji, which is only possible when A is 0 or a complex number. Moving on, dimension of n cross n skew-Hermitian matrix over R, the set of real number, is n squared. Also, real skew-symmetric matrices are special case of skew-Hermitian matrices, and all the results and properties true for real skew-symmetric matrices are true for skew-Hermitian matrix also. Then, if A is a Hermitian matrix, it implies that Ia is a skew-Hermitian matrix, and vice versa. If Ia is a skew-Hermitian matrix, then A is a Hermitian matrix. Also, skew-Hermitian matrices are always normal, and the eigenvalues of skew-Hermitian matrix, as discussed ahead, are either 0 or purely imaginary, and hence they are diagonalizable. Moving on, if A and B are skew-Hermitian matrices, then A into A plus B into B is skew-Hermitian for all real scalars A and B belonging to R. Now, if A is a skew-Hermitian matrix, and if and only if the real part of A is skew-symmetric and the imaginary part of A is symmetric. This is a very important property, and let me show you how is this happening. Let us take an example that we discussed ahead, where entries are I, 1 minus I, minus 1 minus I and 0. Now consider the above diagonal entries and below diagonal entries. In the above diagonal entry, the real part is 1, whereas the same entry in the below diagonal has a real part as minus 1, which means that the real part of A is skew-symmetric, and the imaginary part, that is minus I, is same in both, that is symmetric. So imaginary part of A is symmetric. Moving on, if A is a skew-Hermitian matrix, then A raised to M is skew-Hermitian if M is odd, and Hermitian if M is even. Now there are three notes to be taken out. First, the sum of a square matrix and its conjugate transpose, that is A plus A star, is always Hermitian. Second, the difference of a square matrix and its conjugate transpose, that is A minus A star, is skew-Hermitian. And the third, any arbitrary square matrix C can be written as the sum of Hermitian matrix A and skew-Hermitian matrix B. And yes, here are the three surprises for you. We have introduced demo improvement series 1 and improvement series 2, that too with solutions on the topics that are most important in any competitive exam, that are linear algebra, real analysis, complex analysis and abstract algebra. You can register for it in the description box given below, as there is a link of it. Secondly, we have introduced improvement paper with solution for CSI and NET, as we believe slow and steady wins the race. For these papers also, The link is given below in the description and you can register for it. And last but not the least, Demo Improvement Paper 1, that is practice in silence and let your success make noise, with a great offer, that is your knowledge is your cashback. Now what does it mean? It simply means that when you solve the demo improvement paper and suppose you score 60 marks out of 100, then you will be given 60 rupees cashback on the next paper you purchase from us. And yes, the demo improvement paper is for free and the link for it is also given in the description box. So hurry up and get your cashback and be a member of our social club and check out more than 140 videos on our YouTube channel and get a complete study material on our Telegram channel.